Ready? Start. A. Under section 499 of IPC, if any imputation concerning a person is published with an intention or knowledge or having reason to believe that such imputation will harm the reputation of such person, it amounts to defamation of that person except under 10 exceptions contained therein. Next para B. Section 105 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 deals with the burden of proving existence of circumstances bringing the case within any of the general exceptions in the IPC or within special exception or provision containing in other parts of the same code or in any law defining the offense on the accused and mandates the court to presume the absence of such circumstances. Next para, further held. Next, A. The position of law with regard to defamation is very well settled. If one's publication is proved to be defamatory in nature, harming the reputation of the complainant, the burden shifts on the accused to claim exemption under any of the exceptions under section 499 of IPC, even when the accused takes a defense that publication containing the imputation was a true fact. He is required to prove that the said publication was for the public good in order to attract the first exception. If, on the other hand, accused seeks exemption under the ninth exception, he has to prove that the imputation was made in good faith for his protection or of any other person. Moreover, the person who makes such imputation and his position will determine the standard of care and caution he has to take while making such publication. Next para B. If the accused prefers to seek shelter under the first exception to section 499 of IPC, he has to prove that it was imputation of truth which was published for public good. Imputation of truth by itself is not a defense available to the accused when publication of imputation was not for public good. On the other hand, if he invokes ninth exception, it is for him to prove that the imputation was made in good faith for protection of his own or others' interest. Public good referred to in the first exception or good faith referred to in the ninth exception to section 499 of IPC are definitely the questions of fact which have to be gathered from the facts and circumstances of each case